My name is Jordy. Dude, shut the fuck up, dude. You're a little kid. This is the last hurrah.
Man, that'd be fucking awesome to have like a fucking big ass thing burger with fucking bacon on it. Motherfucker with like big old melted pieces of cheese, 2 patties, fucking some lettuce. Get some fucking fries seasoned right, dip that shit ketchup. He's like, no, I'm still me. It's not like I don't look at a guy at Zaxby's having like some sweet barbecue with that sauce on there dripping from the wings and a tall glass of sweet tea. Where's the dollars at? Motherfucker, I can eat everything from McDonald's except the fish sandwich. This motherfucker got a thing you grew. Walk to the refrigerator for a passage back to streaming for the pity misty wings. Please just tell us what you ate. Hey, hey. Stubby guy, please tell us why you haven't practiced smiling in so long. Where did you go wrong? Where did you go wrong? Hey there, Mr. Wings, we're so pleased to pull your strings. Look around, see what you do. Everybody laughs at you. Hey there, Mr. Wings, we're so pleased to pull...
You can't go upside a bitch's head. Okay, we can beat this. Tom, this is my bottom bitch sweetest taboo. Now she's gonna help you learn how to reestablish dominance at home. Hello. Taboo will be playing the role of your wife. Now, approach Taboo, grab her arm firmly, and command her to leave with you.
Okay.
There I breathe. I also apologize for niggas, but Lord knows they ain't gonna apologize for themselves. I am not black, nor do I consider myself to be black. Many people mistake me for being Negro because they don't know that I am currently living with the heartbreak of revitiligo. That's a skin condition that's the opposite of what Michael Jackson's got. Every morning I apply this topical ointment made of bleach and sulfur. I like to think it works. Luckily, I hadn't gotten much darker in the last few years. As you can see here, I enjoy building small shrines to certain special white people who are important in my life. This one here is dedicated to John Wayne. Great white man. Didn't take no shit from niggers, Indians, nor Mexicans. And this one here is for George Bush the First. Loved him. Now this one here is dedicated to the most soulful soul singer to ever live.
He's got the potion and the motion. When I'm feeling up, when the love starts to flow. He's got the power and the eye. He's the reason why my face is on the road. Just one action as it is like tempting fantasy. Oh, you can't imagine what a doctor does to me. Doctor does to me.
I wake up at 4:45 in the a.m. every morning. That's about 12 hours before most niggas wake up. I am a very spiritual person. I start each day by thanking the white man for the sunrise.
There, you goddamn chunky cheek monkey. Look, what the hell is wrong with you?
Don't interfere, Robert. This here's between me and Martin Luther, so-called king. Only king I know of ever is president. God rest his soul. Oh, you don't remember me? Well, I've been throwing bricks at your marching ass since 1959.
And so... There's heaven? Oh, not just heaven, Ruckus. White heaven. You see, there are many different types of people, Ruckus. So God created many separate, but, well, for the most part, equal heavens.
You don't say.
White heaven is for decent, good, God-fearing Christians who just happen to, well, hate everyone and everything relating to black people. That means no Muhammad Ali, no hip-hop music, and no fucking Jesse Jackson.
What about Whoopi Goldberg?
Nope.
This is hell.
Turns out that God really doesn't have that much of a problem with racism. He doesn't even remember slavery, except in February. Personally, I hate black people, Ruckus. That's why I did everything I could to make their lives miserable. Me. AIDS? Me. Reaganomics? Come on. I'm in the name. And God has rewarded me. Know why?
'Cause 2 niggers and 2 quarters don't add up to $1?
Well, that. And because God loves white people. And if you teach everyone on earth to love the white man, you too can join us in white heaven. Oh.